Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 12th of January 2024, and I'll be going over my weekly review of the front testing of SPY based on the day open, day close strategy. Now, for the week ending on the 10th, the first day we had a buy signal, giving us a loss of a loss of 1,587.04 USD or 0.154%. On the 7th, we had a huge loss of 15,277.02 or 1.469%. On the 8th, we had a profit of 1,373.02 off of a buy signal or a profit of 0.132%. On the 10th, we had a profit off of a sell signal of $9,421.72 or 0.916%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return to 3.962 from 4.538%, and our alpha increased from minus 16.426% to minus 15.066%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.